Hi guys, today I'm doing an Fizzy magic potion. First I have added 25 ml of water in this bowl. Then I have added blue color and yellow color. Then I have added baking soda and citric acid to this. 1 spoon of citric acid and 1 spoon of baking soda. Now I'm going to mix the citric acid and baking soda. But I have to mix it well. Is it mixed? Okay. Now I'm going to add see how does it see? When citric acid and baking soda are mixed in water, a chemical reaction takes place. The fizzy that we saw are bubbles of carbon dioxide gas being released